In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira dashboard for your team. Navigating through the setup process might seem a bit daunting at first, but I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure you gain the most value for your team. Let's begin by heading over to your Jira homepage. This is your starting point, and from here we'll branch out to customize your dashboard. Once you are at your homepage, look towards the left panel of your screen and click on Dashboards. This will direct you to the section where you can manage existing dashboards or create new ones for your team. Now the next step is to select Create Dashboard. This is where you can start personalizing your new dashboard. You'll be prompted to give your dashboard a name. For instance, naming it Team Performance Dashboard might be appropriate if its purpose is to track key performance indicators for your team. A good name helps everyone understand the dashboard's purpose at a glance. Additionally, you have the option to add a description. This step is optional, but I'd highly recommend it. A well-written description explains the dashboard's focus and gives context about what it aims to achieve. It can be particularly helpful for new team members or external collaborators who may not be familiar with your dashboard's purpose. After you've named and potentially described your dashboard, it's time to make it accessible to your team. In the Viewers section, you want to ensure it's set to be team accessible. This means sharing it with a group, project, or specific team members, so collaboration is seamless and everyone stays informed. Pick the relevant group, whether it's your department, a specific project team, or make it available company-wide if that's appropriate for your needs. Having set your viewing permissions, click on Save. This saves your new dashboard and lets you move to the next step. Enhancing its utility and appeal, you'll see an Add Gadget button pop up. Click on that to start adding gadgets. These are customizable modules that provide insights, and they're key to making your dashboard informative and useful. Search for and select gadgets that will display the most valuable data for your team's objectives. With gadgets added, your next task is updating the layout. In the top right corner, select Change Layout to choose a structure that best fits the content you need to display. Rearrange these gadgets by dragging and dropping them into positions that make sense, ensuring they are easy to read and access, and there you have it. With your gadgets arranged, your Jira dashboard is all set to deliver valuable insights to your team. Now you can leverage this tool for enhanced productivity and collaboration. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your team's work processes.